Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City, and I want to talk a little bit about our market conditions right now in terms of what's going on in the Oklahoma market. Now, we're at least 60 days, depending on where you're from, into this pandemic, in some cases a little bit more. And, 60 days ago, we really didn't know what was going to be going on in the markets because there had been dramatic shutdowns everywhere, including Oklahoma City, and so there was an impact there. But what I want to talk about today is the housing market in Oklahoma City is doing the exact opposite of what we thought it would do 60 days ago. We thought it would slow down. We thought that, like the United States, sales would be maybe 20-25% down from what it was. That's fairly natural in any kind of crisis, especially in a pandemic. And that hasn't happened. So let me give you a few stats that came out just the last few days. First of all, in Tulsa, which we've been working on developing for about the last year and a half, new home starts just in the last 30 days are up 26%. Sales are up, median price is up. It's gotten to the point where one builder that we have a wonderful relationship with to this day is putting a moratorium on selling our investors, mainly because they don't have enough sell to the public, and so they're slowing that down for us. Another builder, which is the largest builder in Oklahoma, they're limiting the amount of properties we can sell. Normally might have 20, even 30 properties we can sell from them. Right now we have about 5, and that is because of sales. Now back to Oklahoma City, which is my home. I'll give you a couple of examples. My main builder, the largest builder in the Oklahoma City market, last month set a record for the amount of contracts written in a dramatic fashion, 40% over last year. And for the year, they're up 35% in sales. I've talked to realtors recently that, I just finally got my 4th contract and I overbid all 4 of them. Now, for me, that goes against the grain. I am not one of those realtors that ever wants to see somebody bid $7,000 over or even $2,000 over. I'd rather be patient and work with them, but that is what's going on in the market today. So surprisingly, Oklahoma City is just very, very solid. Tulsa, even more so. And we still have properties that we can sell you at really good prices, but the numbers are dwindling, and that is because our market is flourishing. Now, Oklahoma City is also on phase 2 of the recovery. So in other words, we've gone beyond what much other states have done, much other cities have done. And so the 2 industries that we see that have been hurt the most, first of all, the hospitality industry, which is hotel workers, restaurant workers, nails, hair salons, things of that nature are back to work. And so the employment is rising in that particular respect. The second is the one that's fairly obvious for our area of the country of Oklahoma and Texas is energy. But energy is up dramatically from an incredible low of $12 a barrel. We're at about almost $34 a barrel right now. Now, 2 reasons. First of all, the world is opening back up. And second of all, there's been cuts out of Saudi Arabia and Russia that caused a problem with a glut of oil in the world. And of course, if the world shut down, you don't need that energy, but the world is opening up. So we're seeing those 2 most impacted parts of our economy recovering. So I have to tell you, if you're an investor anywhere in the United States and you're looking for a market that's behaving well at this point, Oklahoma City is it. And the thing that I've said before and many times is that this is the time where people with money make money. You put it in the bank, you lose money because of inflation. If you put money in the right stocks, you put money in the right real estate, this is where people with money invest. And that is what's going on right now. We can show you that. We can show you how we can create wealth for you because financial wellness is what we're all about. So at the end of the description on this this video, you're going to find a link, and that link will take you to setting up a Zoom meeting with me. I'd love to talk to you about what we have. And again, let me say this, and I say this every time. This is a time for serious investors. It's not a time to do that all-in thing with Texas Hold'em. The problem is if you're that limited, take care of your family. Take care of the next 90 days. Take care of the next 6 months. But if you're one of those people that have reserves and you're solid in your job, this is the time to invest, and I want to help you do that.